Okay, my name is Josh Johnson, and this is how to use the Desmos online calculator to visualize functions. So, the first thing you do is you enter the function you want to visualize here. And you can do this by using your keyboard or using the Desmos keypad right here to enter your function. So let's name it y equals x for starters. And you can see it just pops up right there. But what if I wanted to do a more complicated function, like a quadratic function? Well, you can enter exponents by clicking this button here, a to the b, and then entering the exponent you want to enter. So here we can see the graph of y equals x to the third. Now, say we had some kind of complex quadratic function, such as y equals x squared plus 7x minus 2. And we wanted to find out where that graph had x and y intercepts. The really cool thing about this graphing program is that you can just click on the critical points and it displays them for you. And if you're searching for critical points and you get lost and don't know where you are in the graph, you can just click the home button and it'll take you right back. So that's a short tutorial on how to use the Desmos online graphing calculator.